In this video, I'll show you how to use OBS as a virtual camera. First, download and install OBS Studio from the official website if you don't already have it. Once installed, open OBS and set up your scene by adding sources like your webcam, screen capture, or images. You can do this by clicking the plus icon in the Sources panel and choosing what you want to display. Next, arrange your scene the way you want it to appear. You can resize your camera, add overlays, or include text and graphics to customize your video output. Once your scene is ready, look for the Start Virtual Camera button in OBS. Click it to activate the Virtual Camera feature. OBS will now act as a camera source that other apps can use. Now open the app where you want to use your camera, such as Zoom, Discord, or Google Meet. Go to the video settings and select OBS Virtual Camera as your camera input. After selecting it, your OBS scene will appear as your webcam feed in that app. This is useful for presentations, streaming, or adding custom layouts to your video calls. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.